So, I want to upload a video next, and add some particles movement, and usually people will ask how I did that, so I'm showing in advance. It takes 3 minutes anyway. I'm on Fedora 31 with NVIDIA, and that is Resolve 16, Public Beta 3. The free edition of course, as I can't find a crack for the studio in Linux. And I denounced that. What the hell is so wrong with the Russians? First I will switch to 30 frames, because Resolve renderer is sucking, and I denounced that too. The animation you saw in the start, is exactly the one I'm doing now. It is not very good, but good enough for the illustration. So, we make a compound clip, and open it on Fusion. And it is not necessary to add the background, but it saves me time. Then, we add a particles emitter, and a particles render node. On the left viewport I will set the background, and on the right viewport I will set the particles stuff. We do that by select a node, and press 1 or 2. No need to do 3D here, so set that to 2D. Then, I will set the emitter to get the full screen, if I ever actually manage to grab it. There we go! Amazing Resolve skills! Set particles number to 3, and set some variation too, so the animation will be a little bit more realistic. But in any case, I'm not looking for perfect animation, but a quick video to upload. Set style to blob, and then add some color. If only color picker was actually working. See? It is not happening just to Gaiden Live. Anyway, I will set some green, same to character's hair. And I will also add some color variation. Let's make particles a little bit bigger. And a nice effect in general, is to change stuff over lifetime. So, it looks something like that, with particles go on and off. So let's add some motion, with a turbulence node. We have some motion now. And I will add again an over lifetime effect. Finally, I will add a vortex node, that will give some extra motion near to the character. A cool animation would be, if particles were starting green from the character, and changing to yellow, when they were going away. But I'm not going to do a 15 minutes tutorial keyframing things. It is easy to do really, but it requires some extra time. So, we now have added some more action around our anime. Time to add up, all together, so I can actually see, what the feat I just did. That you basically already know, because you saw the intro. Oh, wait! I forgot the glow. Not quite sure, but does this actually work? Aha, also much better now. So fancy and glowing. The exact opposite of no. Okay, and what you're experiencing now, is the embarrassing part that I don't know how to correctly connect the nodes. But you should know, the castle's always fallen under siege, so eventually I will make that work. Oh my god! I should have edited that, but damn, I don't have any dignity. Finally, probabilities won again. Checking on it, on video edit view, that for some reason is super slow. and finally export.
IQ3 でも任せなさい。シュキシュキシュキシュキシュキ設定、うかうかしてたらすぐ卒業。チュキチュキドキドキフォーチュンテラー、いつだって誰だって恋したら広い。力の限り輝くのだよ。チカッとチカッとチカチカ。シュキシュキシュキシュキ、チュキチュキドキドキ、シュキシュキシュキシュキチュキチュキドキドキ。森おかえり。